Hello, paper aficionados. Today, we're delving into the fascinating history of paper, tracing its evolution through the ages. Join me as we explore the key milestones that have shaped this indispensable invention. 1. Ancient origins. Our journey begins over 2 millennia ago in ancient China, where the earliest form of papermaking originated. The ancient Chinese used materials like mulberry bark, hemp, and bamboo to create rudimentary paper, laying the groundwork for a revolutionary breakthrough in communication and record-keeping. 2. Spread of papermaking. From China, papermaking techniques spread along the Silk Road, reaching the Islamic world by the 8th century. Muslim scholars further refined the papermaking process, introducing innovations such as the use of linen and cotton fibers, which resulted in smoother and more durable paper. 3. Medieval Europe. Papermaking arrived in Europe during the medieval period, initially imported from the Islamic world. European papermakers soon began producing their own paper using local materials, such as linen rags and wood pulp, leading to the proliferation of manuscripts, books, and printed materials during the Renaissance. 4. Industrial Revolution. The advent of the Industrial Revolution in the 18th and 19th centuries revolutionized paper production. Steam-powered machines replaced manual labor, making paper production faster, cheaper, and more efficient than ever before. 5. Modern innovations. In the 20th century, technological advancements such as the invention of the paper machine and chemical pulping processes further transformed the paper industry. Recycled paper became increasingly popular as environmental awareness grew, leading to sustainable practices and the conservation of forests. 6. Digital Age. With the rise of digital technology in the late 20th and early 21st centuries, many predicted the demise of paper. However, paper has proven resilient, maintaining its relevance in various industries and contexts, from printing and publishing to packaging and stationery. 7. Future trends. Looking ahead, the future of paper is poised to be shaped by ongoing innovations in sustainable materials and digital integration. Advances in bio-based alternatives and digital paper technologies offer exciting possibilities for a more environmentally friendly and interactive paper experience. And there you have it, the evolution of paper in a nutshell. From its ancient origins to its modern-day applications, paper has been an integral part of human civilization, facilitating communication, creativity, and cultural exchange. If you enjoyed this journey through paper history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep writing, drawing, and exploring the world of paper.